Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC U0029 refers to a malfunction in the FCAN, Flexibly Controller Area Network system, specifically indicating that the FCAN bus is off. In Honda vehicles, the TCM, Transmission Control Module, communicates via two signal lines, FCAN-H, high, and FCAN-L, low, to relay status and instruction signals. When the TCM fails to transmit through these lines for a designated period, it detects a fault and stores this diagnostic trouble code. This code typically signifies potential problems within the communication network among various components, which could impact vehicle performance. The importance of FCAN lies in its role for multi-module coordination, affecting everything from transmission to vehicle stability systems. Diagnosis and repair of this code will require a thorough understanding of the vehicle's communication framework and individual component functionality. The error description for DTC U0029 indicates a malfunction in the FCAN signals, integral for communication among control modules. The TCM, which is typically located within the transmission area, communicates via FCAN using two critical signal lines, FCAN-H and FCAN-L. These lines connect to the vehicle's electronic control unit, ECU, and other modules. When signals fail to transmit effectively, it disrupts this network, leading to delays in communication that can result in shifts in performance. The primary role of the TCM is to optimize vehicle transmission efficiency. Thus, any malfunction can affect driving capabilities. Therefore, understanding the position and function of FCAN and TCM is essential for proper diagnostics and repairs. The possible causes of the DTC U0029 provide a roadmap for diagnosing the issue. An open circuit on the FCAN-H or FCAN-L lines indicates that the communication pathway may be interrupted, which can occur due to damaged wiring or connectors. Additionally, if these lines are shorted to ground, they may cause undesired electric flow, preventing proper signal transmission. The mention of TCM internal circuit failure points to potential issues within the module itself, which could be due to electronic malfunctions or damage from external factors such as moisture or heat. Understanding these potential failures is crucial, as resolving any of these issues is imperative to restoring proper FCAN functionality. Identifying and troubleshooting these faults entails careful inspection of wiring, use of diagnostic tools, and possibly replacement of components. When DTC U0029 is present, several symptoms manifest themselves that signal to the driver that a fault exists. One primary symptom is the illumination of the MIL, or malfunction indicator lamp, which alerts the driver to an engine-related issue. Additionally, the shift position indicator will blink, indicating problems with the transmission system and warning the driver that proper gear shifts may not occur. These symptoms can lead to reduced vehicle performance, as the vehicle may experience irregular shifting or failure to shift entirely. Understanding these symptoms is important for timely diagnostics, allowing the driver to address the issue before severe vehicle performance degradation occurs. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC U0029, it's crucial to begin by inspecting the FCAN circuits thoroughly. This involves checking the integrity of the FCAN-H and FCAN-L lines to ensure they are properly connected and free of damage or corrosion. All connections to the TCM must be examined to ensure they are seated correctly and not exhibiting signs of wear. Additionally, verifying the battery voltage is essential. The system requires a minimum voltage of 10.0 volts to operate effectively. A low voltage situation can trigger faults in the CAN communications. Each of these checks lays the groundwork for understanding the communication landscape of the vehicle, helping to locate the source of the malfunction before moving on to more complex diagnostics. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC U0029, a continuity test is vital to confirm that the FCAN circuits are connected throughout their entire length. This test helps identify any breaks in the wiring that could disrupt signal transmission. Next, the integrity of the circuits must be assessed. This involves using a multimeter to check the resistance levels. A reading that suggests high resistance may indicate a fault within the circuit. Subsequently, looking for shorts to ground is necessary, as these can cause interference in signal transmission, leading to the error code being triggered. This step is crucial not only because it identifies potential electrical issues, but also narrows down where along the circuit the malfunction may exist, guiding the technician toward effective repairs. The third troubleshooting step for DTC U0029 involves inspecting the installation of the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Ensuring that the TCM is correctly mounted and securely connected is essential, as loose connections can lead to communication issues. After confirming the installation, checking for module faults becomes necessary. This can be done through advanced diagnostics using a scan tool, which can provide real-time data about the TCM's functionality. The scan tool will also show if there are any additional stored codes that may be related to the current issue, giving a fuller picture of any electronic malfunctions. This step is critical for both confirming the integrity of the TCM and ensuring that it is functioning optimally within the broader vehicle communication framework. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC U0029, it's essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. The first step in this verification process is to clear the DTC using a scan tool. Clearing the code resets the vehicle's computer, allowing for a fresh scan and diagnostic run. Following this, a test drive should be conducted to monitor the vehicle's performance under normal conditions. During the drive, it is important to observe the shift position indicator and the MIL. Neither should illuminate or blink after repairs. Confirming that no new fault codes appear ensures that the FCAN communication circuit is functioning as expected. This final step is critical to not only ensure a successful repair, but also to restore full vehicle functionality. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding recurrences of DTC U0029 and ensuring the long-term performance of your Honda Civic. Regular inspections of the FCAN circuits should be done to identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that could compromise signal integrity. Monitoring the battery voltage regularly is also essential, since a weak battery can result in communication failures that may trigger error codes. Additionally, software updates from the manufacturer should be applied periodically, as updates can streamline communication processes and fix known issues. Emphasizing regular maintenance checks and staying ahead of potential issues can save time and cost, providing a smoother driving experience in the long run. In conclusion, understanding DTC U0029 and the role of the FCAN communication network is crucial for diagnosis and repair in Honda Civics from 2016 to 2021. Recognizing potential issues like open circuits or shorts allows technicians to guide their troubleshooting effectively. It is essential to conduct thorough diagnostics while taking note of electrical readings, module integrity, and TCM functionality. By following each step in the troubleshooting process systematically, a technician can accurately diagnose the source of the malfunction and ensure robust repairs. Implementing preventive measures and maintenance can minimize the risk of future occurrences, preserving vehicle performance and reliability. Overall, A comprehensive understanding of both symptoms and proper diagnostic steps is the key to addressing DTC U0029 effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.